This video is going to show you the teacher side of running the Smart Lab activities on the student devices. So as a teacher, I'm going to click on the activity that I've created that I want to put on the iPads or Chromebooks. I just hover over it and click Start. Once I click Start, I'm going to click on the little people here, and the little people will show me the students will go to hellosmart.com. There's an icon on their iPad they just click on, and in the other video I'll show you what that looks like. And they need my code as a teacher. Each person will have their own, but I want to show you over here on the left. You can either run it in teacher mode, where each one of the slides or activities that you have you're in charge of, and you're going to go ahead and tell the iPads and devices, I want them on the first one, then I want them to go to the second one, and I want them to go to the third one. Or if I click Student Paste, the students have the option on their device. On the bottom left-hand corner, there's arrows for them to go up and down. That would be perfect if you're doing this for a learning center, because the students can go ahead and at their own pace go through all the activities on their own, and you don't have to worry about being in charge of their devices. So once they go to Hello Smart, I'm going to show you on the iPad what it looks like. And that's video number 2.